Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. It is Laura Whittle and today we're transforming into a vampire. It's the penultimate look of my Halloween 2021 series. Like what you see today, please subscribe, hit the bell notification to be told every single time that I upload and give this video a thumbs up. Let's hop right into it.
So I'm starting out with the Plouise base in shade 0 and a Marble Makeup Company beauty sponge and blending that base in all over the eyelid and in a cream contour shaped down the side of the nose and up to the temple and under the eye, down the centre of the nose, middle of the forehead, Cupid's bow, and repeating it on the other eye. Once this is all blended, I'm taking the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush foundation in shade 1 and blending that into the skin. Ensuring I do the ears and the neck and the chest area. Now going in with a Kiko eyeshadow. This is a cool tone brown to contour the sides of the nose, the eye sockets, brow bone, and the cheekbones under the bottom lip as well. This is creating like a sallow, hollowed out skin look, bringing that contour down the side of the mouth. Then blending that same shade into the temples and up onto the forehead, and then just underneath the eye to create eye bags. Make me look a bit more dead. Now going in with one of the Kiko wet eyeshadows and using that as a highlight. This is like a champagne white shimmer. All the products will be listed down below in the description. And applying that down the centre of the nose and the Cupid's bow and on the brow bones as well. This creates a really wet looking sheen. I did wet the eyeshadow. Now going in with the Made by Mitchell Feet on the Ground palette and a flat eyeshadow brush with shade Ammo first and patting that all over the lid. Then going in with this really small fluffy eyeshadow brush from Peaches and Cream and the shade A Mood and blending that out with the black shade using a 50-50 technique to get that blend and dragging that shadow out towards the temple. Going back in with shade Ammo and deepening that black and pulling that even further out towards the temple. Now going in with shade Tiger Lily on a fluffier eyeshadow brush from Peaches and Cream and blending that on the upper outer edge of the A Mood shade. Then bringing that black under the waterline and adding in that highlight from before, that Kiko wet eyeshadow into the inner corner. Now using the Rodial Beauty eyeliner, this is one of the pencil eyeliners just in the waterline, and then using an e.l.f. liquid eyeshadow in black just to create a sharp wing. I'm filling in the brows with a pencil from Revolution Pro. This is in a soft brown shade and I'm just creating the shape that I want because it's different to my usual shape. Then I'm going back in with that e.l.f. liquid liner to fill in the brows and get a really sharp, deep brow. Creating tiny little hair strokes at the front with this in a really sharp building tail. Just going in with the microfiber cotton bud to clean up the edges, and then using that Plouise base to get really sharp under the brow and on top of the brow. Taking the hair down now and creating that vampire bite, going in with the shade Ammo to create 2 black dots, and then going around the edge with a Mood to get that purple tone, then going back in with that fluffy brush with Tiger Lily to get that soreness. Going back in with the eye pencil and getting that black right in the middle and deepening those shadows. Add your favourite lipstick, lashes, fake blood, and tie your hair up.
And this is the finished look. If you liked this tutorial today, please give it a thumbs up and hit the bell notification to be told every single time that I upload. If you want to see more from me, please go follow me over on Instagram at Laura Whittle MUA and on TikTok at Laura Whittle UK. Bye!